How to delete cache on Trust Wallet. Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video I'll guide you on how you can delete cache files on Trust Wallet, so make sure to watch the video till the very end. Now, if you don't know what cache files are basically some of the temporary junk files that are stored by your phone's application that you don't really need, but they store them just so that the app can function smoothly, and then whatever part of the application that they don't need, they're going to actually store it into a temporary junk file, which are called cache files. Removing the cache files won't hurt anything because it's not going to delete your data. Nothing is going to happen at all. To delete the cache files of Trust Wallet on Android, it is only possible on Android. You just have to look for the Trust Wallet app icon and then just long press on it. Once you long press on it, on every Android phone you'll find either the I button or the app info button. You want to make sure to tap the I button or the app info button here, and then you're going to be taken to the app info page of Trust Wallet, where you just need to scroll, look for this option called storage, and then just tap on it. In my case, my cache file is only 1 megabyte. That is because I just installed it. If it's been over a month or so that you've used it, you want to delete the cache files, all you have to do is just tap and clear cache. Remember, if you tap and clear data, nothing wrong is going to happen. It's just that it's going to log you out of your account and you have to log in back again. But if you only clear the cache files, you're not going to lose anything. You can just come back to the app and then you'll be able to notice that I'm still logged in as well. So this way you can go ahead and then basically delete the cache on Trust Wallet. Hope this video was very helpful to you guys, and if it did help you, then make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. If you have got any more questions, queries or doubts, feel free to also leave them down in the comment section. Thank you very much for watching till the end of this tutorial, and see you soon in the next video.